Yes, children, welcome to VIN School. Chapter 1, Our Animal Friends. Chapter 1, Our Animal Friends. So, in this chapter, what and all you are going to learn? Big and small animals, where animals live, how animals move, wild animals, pet animals, farm animals, how they help us. So, how they help us. Okay, children. So, we find animals of different kinds around us. So, we find animals of different kind. Yes or no, children? There are different kinds of animals around us. Okay. So, some animals are big. B-I-G, big. Okay, big. You know big, no? So, some animals are big. So, which animals are big? Horse. What is this? Which animal is this? Horse. Hippopotamus. Whale. See, children? Whale. Okay. Elephant. Elephant you have seen, no? Yes. Giraffe. Okay. So, these animals are big animals. Which animals are all big animals, children? Horse, hippopotamus, whale, elephant, giraffe. Okay, children? So, the elephant is the biggest land animal. The elephant is the biggest land animal. Understood, children? So, the giraffe is the tallest land animal. It is tallest. Its neck is long, no, children? So, the giraffe is the tallest land animal. The whale is the largest water animal, children. So, I have shown the whale, no? So, it is the largest water animal. Okay. Okay. Now, some animals are small. S-M-A-L-L, small. So, we have seen the big animals. No. Now, we can see the small animals. Okay. Rabbit, cat, rat, pigeon. So, these are all small animals. Rabbit you have seen, no, children? Cat you know, no? Rat you know, no? Pigeon you know. These are small animals. Okay. So, some animals are very small, children. Small you know. Very small you have seen. That are housefly and earthworm. Okay, children. Very small animals what? Housefly and earthworm. So, which are the small animals? Rabbit, cat, rat, pigeon. Very small, housefly and earthworm. Understood, children? So, where animals live? Where does the animals live, children? Animals like the camel, dog, cow, deer and tiger live on land. So, where you will live, children? So, we will live on the land. Yes or no? Like that. So, animals also will live on land, water, both in land and water. So, some animals they live in the land. Which animals we can see now? So, I have told no animals like camel, dog you have seen, cow, deer, tiger. So, these are the some animals live on the land. Okay. So, children, animals like fish and whales live in water. They die if they are taken out of water. So, animals like fish, whales live in water. Okay, children? Where does the fish live, children? Fish lives in water? No. if you take from the water, what will happen for the fish? It will die. Yes or no, children? It will die, no, children? You know, no. So in some house they will keep aquarium and all, no. In aquarium there will be fishes, no. In your house fish is there. Yes, where fish lives, children? Fish lives in water. Yes or no, children? If you take that fish from the out of the water, means what it will happen? It will die. Yes or no? So animals like frog and tortoise live both on land and in water. So animals like frog and tortoise live both on land and in water also, children. Like frog, tortoise. Frog you have seen, tortoise you have seen. So this frog, what it will do? It will live in the water also, it will live in the land also. Tortoise also, it will live in the water also, it will live in the land also. Okay. So animals like monkey and birds live on trees. So animals like monkey and birds, where they will live, children? They will live on the trees. Yes or no? Where they will live? They live on the trees. Which animal, children? Monkey and birds. So everybody will like monkey, no? When we will go temples, in out of station we will see so much of monkeys, no? Yes or no? What monkey will eat, children? Monkey will eat banana, no? Monkey likes banana more, no? So if you are going to temple, means if monkey is there, means give banana or some food for monkey or other animal also, children. If you have seen some animals, means provide food for them. Okay. Yes, children.